In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve a draft bill in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a draft bill and mark it as approved, so it's ready to move through your payables process. This is perfect for tidying up your accounting workflow and keeping your bills current and accurate. First, log into Xero using your usual account credentials. Make sure you have the right permissions to approve bills. If you can't see approval options later on, you may need an administrator to adjust your user role. From the Xero dashboard, head to Purchases. This is your central spot for everything you need to buy or pay. Next, open the Purchases overview. Think of this as your command center, where you can quickly gauge what's in draft, what's awaiting action, and what's coming due. Within the overview, open the Bills section. This area focuses specifically on bills you've entered into Xero. It's where drafts live before they're finalized, and where approved bills sit while they await payment. Now, select the Draft tab. Drafts are bills that have been saved, but not yet approved. This is a good moment to confirm you're in the right place because only the items under draft are eligible for the quick approval you're about to do. Find the draft bill you want to approve. If you have a long list, use the search bar or sort by supplier, date, or amount to zero in on the right one. Glance at the supplier name, the bill date, and the total to make sure you're approving the correct bill. If anything looks off, pause here and verify the details before proceeding. When you've located the correct draft, click the three-dot menu beside the bill. This overflow menu reveals additional actions without needing to open the bill fully. From that menu, select Approve. This action tells Xero to finalize the bill so it moves out of draft and into your normal payables pipeline. Now, wait for Xero to update the bill status. You should see the status change and the bill disappear from the Draft tab. Depending on your organization's settings and your permissions, it will typically move to an approved or awaiting payment state. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page to see the updated status. That's it. You've approved a draft bill in Xero. Repeat these steps for any other drafts you need to finalize, and you'll keep your payables clean, current, and ready for payment runs. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!